In this video, you'll learn how to contact customer support on eBay. By following these steps, you will effectively reach out to eBay's support team for assistance with your account or order-related issues. Begin by logging into your eBay account through either the website or the mobile app. Once you've successfully signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Here you will find the option labeled Help and Contact. This section is designed to provide assistance for various issues related to your account and orders. When you click on this link, it opens the eBay Help Center where a variety of support options are available. Accessing this page is crucial as it serves as the starting point for contacting customer support. Inside the Help Center, you will see a list of categories that represent different types of issues. It is important to choose the category that best matches your problem. eBay organizes topics such as orders, payments, account problems, and returns. Selecting the correct topic is essential as it helps direct you to the appropriate support solution. Often, the Help Center will suggest answers or troubleshooting steps relevant to your issue. If your problem remains unresolved, additional contact options may be presented to you. Choosing the right category not only streamlines the process, but also saves you time. After you've selected your issue category, eBay will display available contact options. These may include methods such as live chat, phone support, or messaging. It is advisable to choose the method that you find most convenient. When you connect with support, clearly explain your problem and provide any necessary details related to your order. The support team will review your request and guide you towards a solution. Following the instructions given by the representative is important for ensuring that your issue is handled properly. Keep in mind that contacting customer support is an essential step in resolving any issues you may face with eBay. Whether you are dealing with a payment problem or a return, utilizing the Help Center effectively increases your chances of receiving timely assistance. Be aware of your internet connection, as a slower connection may affect your ability to access the Help Center or any live chat features. Additionally, ensure that your account is in good standing, as this may also influence the support options available to you. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.